won the March 2014 Me Arbe Tu competition, where she sung in Spanish. She also volunteers at animal shelters, and she's inspired by Christina Aguilera. She will be singing an Adele song called Love Song. And please make some noise for 13-year-old Jennifer Garcia, y'all. Come on with it.